If you want to slow down or speed up your TikTok videos using your iPhone or Android, for that first you have to open up your TikTok, hit the plus icon at the bottom to start a new post. Then tap on this gallery box. Then go ahead and select upload to pick a video from your gallery. And then press next. Now you will see a few editing option. Go ahead and select this edit icon. Inside the editing screen, just swipe right and you will find the edit option at first. And from here, you must see the speed option. This is what you are looking for. And now to slow down your video, just drag the speed slider to the left, and for speed it up, move the slider to the right. You can also try out the curve speed control, which lets you adjust speed at different points in the video for a more custom reel. And that's it. When you're all done, just tap on the screen and share your customized video. I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.